Next up, we're going to hear from Nadine Fournier. She's the co-founder and chief product officer at Landerz, a Montreal-based prop tech. And they are building a marketplace for real estate investors and land developers. She's in charge of the design and development of a marketplace platform, their database products and market intelligence reports. Prior to Landerz, Nadine had led multiple large-scale operation-focused projects at McKinsey & Company. We're really excited to be partnering with Landerz to deliver a brokerage experience unlike anything else that we know of. And I'll let Nadine take you through that. Thanks, Nadine.
Thanks, Lucy, for the introduction. So yeah, a very different industry as part of the large real estate community. We are a startup specializing in land transactions. So our brokerage activities are aiming to help seller and buyer of land properties to meet on the marketplace. And as such, we need to understand very well in details the full potential of each plot of land that we are putting on the market. So at first we were doing our own analysis and while building the company, and realized that having the ability to design options and to understand visually the potential of each plot of land was something that was missing. That was something that would be helpful in communicating with our clients. And so we've been looking for a design tool online. That's how it all started. We were looking at what were the market solutions to help us be even more better brokers, literally. And that's how we met with the Giraffe team. We were pretty amazed by the functionalities of the tool and the ease of use. It's very intuitive. Our analysts have been able to use it from day one. It's simple, but yet very powerful. And so as we had to make our decision, it was clear for us that Giraffe was the tool that was the best for us. What makes it even better in our case is the ability to import information. So whether it is shapefiles or data layers, we can really customize our analysis. So what you're seeing here on the screen is a potential development project for a property that a listing of ours that the analyst has analyzed. So we started by importing the exact cadastral, the shape of the land with the cadastral map so that we knew exactly the square footage of the land. And then we generated some options of potential development to share with potential buyers. And so here we're always talking in terms of potential. This is not an actual project. This is something that could be built in order for us to understand the square footage of the maximum square footage for this property, given restrictions in zoning, but also in the surrounding environment. And so we like the flexibility. We like that it's shareable, either internally as a team, but also externally with our potential buyers and clients. And we also like the fact that we can import data layers. So we're seeing here, we've imported something that's very important to us, the wetlands, to understand what's the area of the property that's actually buildable. And so it's something that in the landscape of data that's available for professionals here in Quebec, this is some data that's public and that we managed to integrate in our analysis. So we like that the functionality is already built into the tool and it's easy for us to use.